Hello everyone, and again another product update. And if you don't want to miss our product updates and be the first who knows and test our new tools, please subscribe to the channel and give me 5 if you like this update. So let's have a look what we have. Site structure efficiency by directories, by segments, by categories. You remember that we are always the fans of visualizing Googlebot behavior at your website. And we are also the fans to merge the data in one place, giving you the full picture preset, which saves you a lot of time. And today, I'm very happy to introduce you the tools site structure efficiency by directories, by segments, by categories. So right now, site structure efficiency by directories, that was already present in our platform, and you all remember that you have all your directories here, and you get the profound information by the number of pages within directory, the number of pages open to indexation, the average number of internal links within this directory, the average referring pages from indexable pages to these pages, the number of pages visited by Googlebot within the directory, the number of pages ranked in SERP, the number of impressions these ranked pages within this directory are getting, the number of clicks within this directory, and the average position by this directory. And you have all this information for all the directories you have, and we even the color markers for you to see where there is 0, the better efficiency, the worse efficiency. So all this information is at hand just within one click. Let's go to the segments. Here you have all your segments that you've built, and you are capable to pick up, let's see, 10 segments at one time and visualize it. Oh yeah, here it is. So we just apply and we get the information, the same information, but right now by segments. And you see what segments are the most effective in terms of impressions and clicks. And again, compare that with the visibility for Googlebot here, which is a very important thing. Then to visualize the segments which are less effective and the least effective. And again, to compare if, for example, this segments is so way effective in terms of impressions and in terms of clicks, what is going on in terms of site visibility for Googlebot here, and to compare that, for example, with the less effective segments and what is the bot's behavior here, and you will start understanding the correlation and what exactly have to be done. So you have to analyze this directory and to visualize what pages are not visited by Googlebot. For example, here this is the half of the directory is not visited, and why. And you all remember that we have tools that impact section, and here is the link to impact section. How to understand why Googlebot behavior visited these pages and why these pages are ignored and what exactly to change. And you can easily pick up any other and visualize the same for the other pages or the other segments you have, and apply and get it right away. And you see how fast this data is generated for you. You see how much time you're saving here. And I'm sure that if you do such a selections of the data manually, you definitely do it not really often, because it takes a lot of time to get such a data visualization. And we have one more section here, site structure efficiency by categories. And here again, all the categories you have on your website with full information on the efficiency. Just the same criteria, but right now by the categories. And you remember that you can click into the category and you will go into the subcategory within this category. Right now there is no subcategories, but when there are subcategories, you will dive deeper into subcategories. Here again, yeah, no subcategories. So usually for the big websites, there are subcategories. Let's try this one. Yeah, here we have subcategories, and again, you have detailed information on the level below. So for the huge big websites like e-commerce websites, media, marketplaces, classifieds, this is just super beloved tool because you see that just really on the fly you are capable to get really deep and impactful insights and to understand what directories are the most effective, what segments are bringing you the most of traffic, what categories are working well, and what are working bad, and what exactly to change. So again, if you like my video, please give me the like and please subscribe to our channel so not to miss our videos. Have a great day.